Welcome to AMS Eds. Whether it's a bright day, sunny day, rainy day, or a cloudy day in your place, I wish that it would be a good day for you. So, let's commence our next session. In Part 2b, our studies were mainly based on the classification of soil and a detailed study of the ex situ soil, the alluvial soil. This session of Part 2c will be a detailed study of the three in situ soils, that is, the black soil, the red soil, and the laterite soil. We will start off in this order itself. So, first, a look into the black soil. This in situ soil is of volcanic origin, that is, formed due to the disintegration of basalt and is called lava soil. Due to its dark color, it is called black soil or Reger soil. It is the ideal or best soil to grow cotton. Thus, it gets the name cotton soil. Just as we did in the previous class, we will go through the characteristics of black soil based on its physical properties first. Its color varies from black to chestnut brown. A peculiar trait of this soil due to its black color is that it absorbs heat, so it can have high temperatures. Going on to the next property, it is of very fine texture and clayey in nature. As this soil is very clayey, it has the capacity to hold back moisture. Whichever season it may be, it has moisture stored in its subsoil. So, we can say that black soil is moisture retentive. This is an advantage. Secondly, an advantage of black soil due to this moisture retaining characteristic is that it is suitable for dry farming technique. Another characteristic that is advantageous due to its clayey texture is that when it becomes dry, during the dry season, it shrinks and forms big, deep cracks which help in air circulation in the soil. These cracks have almost the same effect of ploughing a field. I shall explain. Ploughing breaks up the soil and turns it over, helping in air circulation or aeration in the soil. Thus, oxygen becomes available to the soil, and this speeds up the decomposition of the organic matter in the soil, which helps in the availability of more oxygen, that is, oxygenation of the soil. So, we can say that black soil has self-ploughing capacity. I suggest that you register these two terms in your mind, that is, moisture retentive, self-ploughing capacity. Let me bring to your notice that using such terms as they are in your answers can help you from an examination point of view to score marks. On the other hand, as black soil has 50% of clay content, when it becomes wet, due to its moisture retaining capacity, it expands and becomes difficult to plough. This is disadvantageous. Now, we will take a look into the characteristics of black soil based on its chemical properties. Iron, potash, lime, magnesium, calcium, humus, all these are found in high quantities. So, It is very fertile and this is advantageous. But phosphorus and nitrogen are found in very poor quantities and this becomes disadvantageous. So, that much for the characteristics of black soil based on its physical and chemical properties. Next, where do we find the soil in India, or where is it distributed? Let's take a look at the distribution table. We can get a better idea of distribution when we make a reference to the map. It is mainly concentrated in the Trap region or lava tract of the Deccan Plateau, which includes parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, and some parts of Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. Finally, we shall take a look at the crops that are best to be grown in black soil. As we have already discussed, you will immediately remember the crop after which this soil is named. Yes, cotton. Other crops are cereals, sugarcane, oilseeds, fruits, vegetables, and tobacco. And that's all for today. We will meet again in the next session. Stay with AMS Eds. Bye.